Alright guys, so today I am going to be doing a unboxing video with some Coastal Scents makeup. So I've been meaning to get some new makeup, try some new brands here and there and so forth. So before I get into it, please subscribe to my channel, please. Alright, so let's get into it. I ordered some makeup, okay? So I'm just gonna unbox this. I ordered some for myself and I ordered some to give away, actually. Let's just, come on now. Do this. We can do this right now. Okay. So, let's see. I can't even remember everything that I ordered, but there's some palettes, some brushes, some of everything inside this box. So, first things first. Oh, yes. Ooh, I love this color. I can't wait to show you guys. This is, let me get it all out. These are like little, this is blush. And it is so pretty. I'm going to show you guys like what this looks like on my skin as well. This is a highlighter. There we go. Coastal Scents highlighter and blush. And I don't even remember getting this, but this is blush as well in Elegant and Charming. Those two colors. And another blush in Delicate and Poetic. So those are really pretty. This is an eye primer. I've been meaning to actually get some more eye primers because I like a lot of them, but I just want to get into some new ones. So this one looks like a creamy white color, and it just fades to like a beige, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna try this. We're gonna see how that's gonna work. So I also got lip shades. Oh my god, I've been meaning to get some more lip stuff for my lips. I have a little bit of lipstick on today, and I don't even normally wear lipstick, which is why I am buying some more. So here is one of my lip shades, which is really cute, and it comes with this little brush, which is so cute. Sorry guys, the mirror on this. So these are the shades from this one. And this one is, sorry guys, let me tell you guys what it's called. Boom, 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 boom. This is lip color PL021, which I think is super cute. And then I have one that's more of nude, nude shades. So this one is PL022. Oh, there's a shimmering one as well, which is super cute. So that's those there, which is super cute. And again, it comes with a brush. So that's that one. And another one that's like peachy and purple. This color is PL023. Whoops. Yeah, plum. Alright, so next inside of my box I have a 16-piece brush set, and it's called Pearl, and this is what it looks like. I haven't decided if I want to give this one away or keep it for myself because I actually really like it. So it comes with little clips on each side. And of course it says Coastal Scents on the front. And then you take the lid off. And these are all of the brushes inside of here. All nice and neat. So I will let you guys know what I'm going to do with this one here. So I also have, oh, I guess I missed a lip shade in here. This one is PL020. So I have PL20, PL21, PL22, and PL23 in all of the lip shades that they have. And of course it comes with a little brush on the bottom, and those are all of the shades there that they come with. And of course a little mirror at the top as well inside of this little palette. And I have a 28 neutral palette as well. 28 eyeshadow colors. And this one is PL005 from their website. So I'll just take that out. And of course it comes with a little protective cover on there. And this is what all the shades look like. All neutral colors. Alright, so that is that. I'm definitely going to go ahead and give you guys a little tester of what the shades look like on my skin tone and on top of some primers and stuff like that. Just so you guys can get a better look at what, you know, the makeup's like. Alright, so I'm going to put that to the side. And I actually got a Beauty Collection Smoky gift set. And this one actually came with about 5 or 6 items inside of this box. So you do get a smoky eye brush set in here, and that comes with 5 brushes. And you get a smoky palette, a blush palette, and a concealer palette as well inside of this box here. And this one was on sale. I want to say it was $20 for the entire set, and that was for their Black Friday sale. So that just to show you how long it's taken me to get to this unboxing, because I have absolutely been waiting and I haven't touched the box until now. So, and Christmas is tomorrow. So this is how it looks. And you open it up and it gives you all of your palettes. So this first one is the Smoky Eye palette, if I can get it open. So it comes with 28 shades, I'm sorry, 36 shades of eyeshadows here. And it comes with your brush set as well, and that's next out of the box. And that comes in this cute little pouch. Really good for like traveling or something like that. And you open it up, it comes with all 5 of your brushes in there. And this little note card here just shows you which brushes they give you, and it shows you how you should use them inside of your little case here, which I think is really cute. And the case is magnetic, so it closes really easy. So that is that one. And then there is the concealer palette as well. And that one's small and cute. And it gives you your, you know, cancellation concealers, your lights, your darks, contouring, everything you need in one palette. Put that back in here. Alright, and last but not least, you get your eyeshadow and blush palette as well. Ooh, I really like these shades here, especially this one right here in the corner. It's like a plum color, and I think that's really, really cute. Alright. So that is all of the things that I got from Coastal Scents for Black Friday. And that's definitely just to try out a new makeup brand. So I think I have pretty much everything I need to go ahead and try them out. I have a primer, I have plenty of eyeshadows, blushes, concealers, I have their brush set. The only thing that I don't have from Coastal Scents is their foundation. I'm really picky about my foundation, and I didn't want to have to buy 3-4 different foundations just to try to find one that matches my color. So I'm gonna go ahead and do in my next video, I'm gonna try out all of these items for you guys. So I'm not sure which ones I want to give away yet, but definitely some of these items will be in a giveaway for my next video, so stay tuned for that. And I think that's all that I got inside the box. Alright, so I thank you guys so much for watching my video. All of these Coastal Scents makeup will be tried in my next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one, and follow me on my Instagram down below, QB Wig Collections, and that's where you can get more information on my giveaway for some Coastal Scents makeup. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day.